Did you know the Arctic ice melt has suddenly slowed down? Sounds like good news, right? But what if I told you this slowdown could be a dangerous illusion? In this video, you will discover the real reason behind this unexpected pause, what it means for our planet, and why this could be the calm before a massive storm. Stick around till the end because this will change the way you think about climate change. What we are going to discuss today: what does this slowdown in Arctic ice melting really mean? Who discovered it and why? When did it start and how long will it last? And more. The Arctic sea ice has been melting at a slower pace over the past 20 years. Scientists found that the rate of decline has dropped by more than half since 2005, just 0.35 million square kilometers per decade compared to previous decades. It's the smallest rate of ice loss in any 20-year period since satellite records began in 1979. But does this mean the Arctic is healing? Not so fast. If the slowdown isn't a sign of recovery, then what's behind this mysterious pause? This research was done by scientists from the University of Exeter and Columbia University, led by Dr. Mark England. They published the study in Geophysical Research Letters. Their key finding: this slowdown isn't a miracle. It's a pause caused by natural climate variability layered on top of human-driven warming. Now, that brings us to the next question. If it's not recovery, then why exactly has this slowdown happened? The main reason is natural climate variability. Think of it like this. The Arctic ice melt is a ball rolling down a hill. The hill represents climate change. It's always sloping downward because of global warming. But sometimes the ball hits bumps and obstacles, making it temporarily slow down or bounce sideways. Those bumps, they're natural variations in climate patterns. But how long can this slowdown last before the ball starts rolling faster again? Let's find out. This slowdown began around 2005 and has continued for nearly 2 decades. Scientists estimate there's a 50% chance it will last another 5 years and a 25% chance it could continue for a decade. But when this natural variability ends, the ice loss could accelerate by 0.6 million square kilometers per decade, much faster than before. If that happens, what will be the consequences for the Arctic and for us? Do you think global warming can still be stopped, or is it too late? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. When this slowdown ends, scientists expect rapid melting that could completely transform the Arctic. Less ice means higher sea levels, disrupted weather patterns, and more extreme events globally. The Arctic is already warming nearly 4 times faster than the rest of the planet, and summer ice levels are now 33% lower than when records began. Now, let's zoom out. Where do these changes fit in the bigger picture of the Arctic system? The slowdown is just a temporary blip in a long-term downward trend. In fact, in March 2025, Arctic sea ice hit its lowest winter maximum on record at 14.33 million square kilometers. That means the Arctic is still on a dangerous path, and this pause doesn't mean we can relax. Experts call it a brief intermission in a storm. So, here's the big takeaway. The slowdown doesn't mean climate change is slowing. It's just hiding for now. Now tell me in the comments, do you think this slowdown gives us hope? Or is it a false sense of security? Your comments motivate me to make more videos like this, so don't be shy. Let's start a discussion.